everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Param, a professional makeup artist, and I'm back with another exciting video. So the wedding season is here and I'm sure most of you must be gearing up for the wedding season, either to attend them online or in person. So I have brought you this beautiful wedding guest look which you can recreate in very easy steps. So let's not waste any further time and jump right into it. Today I plan to do a little dark eye look, so that's why I'm going to be finishing my eye makeup before I do my base. So I will be starting my eye makeup with an eyeshadow base, and I'm using the NARS eyeshadow base. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette today, and I'm going to be using the shade Sandalwood for my transition shade. I'm using a buffing brush to apply it a little above my crease line. Next, I'm going to be picking the shade Henna and applying it on my crease. Blend it well. Next, I'm going to be picking the shade Cocoa and applying it just below the crease using a small blending brush. Next, I'm going to be applying a burgundy color called Man-Eater on the eyeball area. However, since I want a dark color payout, I will be spraying my eyeshadow brush with makeup fixing spray before I dip it into the eyeshadow palette. Once the eyeshadow dries out a bit, use a clean blending brush to blend the eyeshadow together. Blend it well. Next, I'm going to be applying a black eyeliner from Inglot in the shade Midnight. Pulling it out a little bit to give a light winged look. Smudging the top corner of the eyeliner with a brown eyeshadow to give a smoked eyeliner look. I'm going to quickly be applying my false lashes from PAC off camera. Next, I'm going to be applying mascara, and I'm using the Benefit Badgal Lash Mascara. Before I move on to the base makeup, I'm going to be cleaning my eyeshadow fallout with a wet wipe. Hydrating my under eyes and skin using the Clinique Moisture Surge Cream. Before we begin the base, I am going to be applying a primer, and I am using the PAC Pore Primer. With all the festive eating during Diwali, I have some pimples on my face and also some under eye darkness. So I will need a color corrector today, and I am using the Bobbi Brown Dark Peach color corrector. You can skip the color corrector if you do not have any pimples or under eye darkness. Next, I am going to be applying my foundation, and I am using the MAC NC42 Studio Fix Fluid Foundation and mixing it with the Becca Skin Illuminator in the shade Rose Gold. Next, for my concealer, I am going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. Contouring my face with the Viseart Corrector and Contour palette. Now setting my base with the powder, and I'm using the Coverfx translucent powder. Next, filling my eyebrows using the Ferrarucci eyebrow palette. Next, I am going to be applying kajal using the Faces Magneteyes Kajal Pencil. To give the eyeshadow a complete look, I am using a brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Also applying a black eyeshadow on top of the liner to make it smudge proof. Next, I am going to be using the Hoola bronzer from Benefit to contour my face. Finally, the blusher, and I am going to be using the Smashbox Blusher. And now for the lipstick, I am going to be using Maybelline Lip Crayon in the shade Fierce Fuchsia. And that's the finished look, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I loved putting this look together. If you do try this look during this wedding season, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle @ParamNC. Please like and share this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to turn the notifications on. I will be waiting for your comments and suggestions, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.